Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unpin File Explorer from your Windows Start. Now if you go to your Windows Start like this, you will see all the pinned apps and all the recommended things that you have on your Start. Now what is the recommended section? This is the thing where you have your recently opened files such as pictures, text documents, or any other things that you might be working with. Now I have these two images that I have opened yesterday, and you can see them here. If you click on them, you will actually be able to see the pictures. Now if you have the same kind of files, you might be able to see them. Now in the pin section, today we are going to show you how to unpin File Explorer, and to do that we can right click on the File Explorer like this, and then you can see we have the unpin from start option. So what does this do? It will unpin the File Explorer, and you can see we do not have File Explorer or any other apps for that matter. So it actually just it just looks empty to me. Okay, so we are just going to click here and just going to go to here, and it's just empty, and it does look a little bit funny, like having nothing at all. But anyway, thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you think this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing to our channel, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.